Can you see this glass effect on Canva? So I want to show you how you can do this kind of glass effect on Canva. It's very simple and easy. Just follow me till the end of this video. So let me just go to another page of this video. What the first thing to do, just upload your video, upload your image. So let me upload my image to this place. So once you upload your image, so extend it to fit in, extend it to fit in the one this shape. Then let it fit in like this. Then the next thing to now do is that what, come to your what apps, come to your apps here, click on your apps here. So once you click on your apps, then you type glass what, glass maker, type glass maker, then you search for glass maker and click on this first one here. So you click on this first one here, so click on this, then bring this one down a little bit, like if it's up, bring it down like this, then click on this, select the image that you want to what, add the glass effect on. Once you click on this image that you want to add the glass effect on, the next thing for you to do is that we'll come to this side, then what, click on start glass effect. After you click on start glass effect, it will show you how you want to adjust it. So you have to expand this stuff to fit in the entire space here. You can just bring it like this, then what, expand it to fit in the entire space like that. I hope you understand what I'm doing. Then after that, then you can now adjust your glass in this place. Click on this thing. Also click on, you can adjust it like 0.5, let's say 0.5, okay, or 0.4. All right, then you can now come down, click here, then you come to this side, click on to add to design. You add the glass effect to the design. So now after you add the glass effect to the design, you now have two image. Now as you can see, we have the glass effect and we have the normal image. So what you need to do now is that bring this one to this corner here and what, expand it to fill the entire space of this design. I hope you understand. Then the next thing to now do is that come to your element, click on your element, then type brush. So just type brush, this brush, click on search, then you see different kind of brush here. Then you can pick any one that you want. I'm going for this, click on this one. Then after you click on this one, then you come to this your layers, come to your layers here, then you bring the original image to the up here, the original one, bring it like this, drag it up. So after you drag it up, you drag the original image up. Oh, sorry. So once you drag the original image up, so this is not the original image up now, then you long press on it to enter inside this frame here. So make it enter inside this frame. I hope you understand. So now it has entered this frame. Then the next thing for you to do is that just expand this frame so that it can fit in the way you like. Double click on this stuff, double click on it, then you expand it to your taste. Okay, that it will adjust it properly, just like this. So that's just it to your taste. Then click on check. So that's how you create glass effect on Canva. If you like this video, follow for more.